Hello and welcome to Trustifi. Now that you've signed up for a Trustifi account, what we're going to want to do next is download the Trustifi Gmail plugin. In order to do that, we're going to go to Trustifi.com and click on the client login page on the upper right-hand side of the screen. From here, we're going to use the user credentials that we've signed up our Trustifi account with. Once we log on, this is going to bring us to the Trustifi web portal, where we'll see the banner scroll by where we can click on the Gmail extension in order to download the plugin. This will then bring us to the Chrome Web Store, where we'll have the option to add Trustifi to Chrome. We'll click on the right-hand side of the screen where it says Add to Chrome. This will then bring up a window asking if we want to add the extension, which we will click on. And now we can see that Trustifi has been added to Chrome. Next, what we're going to do is go to our Gmail account, refresh our account, and compose a new email. As we see on the right-hand side of the screen, the Trustifi icon has now been added, and if we click on it, we can now sign in with those same user credentials and begin to send out Trustifi encrypted email. Thank you so much for joining, and that's how you download the Trustifi Gmail plugin.